Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Lalit PC. I'm from Map Mentors. Today we are going to learn about how to create your account in Google Earth Engine. So first thing first, let's get dive into it. Simply type Google Earth Engine in your browser, then the first link shows up, and then you click that link, and it will direct you to the Google Earth Engine platform. So as you can see here, Google Earth Engine combines a multi-petabyte catalog of satellite imagery and geospatial dataset with planetary scale analysis capabilities. So this is a platform by Google where you can compute a large amount of dataset without actually downloading them. Because what happens is we have a limited capacity in our desktop or in our local machine, and when you need to do a complex or multi-year analysis, then it will be hard to store all your data. It consumes a lot of memory. So what Google Earth Engine does is it provides API link for all the data set, especially spatial data set, that is satellite imageries, and you can compute, you can do analysis, you can find the result, and only you need to download that result to your local machine. So before starting the Google Earth Engine, first we have to register. To register, you can go get started button, just click there. Uh, so one thing I want to mention is that Google Earth Engine is a free platform only for non-commercial project. So if you are planning to use it in your business or any commercial project, you have to buy the license from Google Earth Engine. As we are going to use it for the research purpose, so we don't need to buy. We can freely use the resources. So it says, how do you want to use the Google Earth Engine? Paid, that means commercial, business, government operations. Unpaid, for non-profit, education, government, research, training. So we are clicking the unpaid uses. So we are using it at academia and research. You can choose according to your usage. I'll click next. So choose a cloud project to register. So if you are a first time user, click create a new Google cloud project. So organization I'm writing is no organization. Project ID I have written map intersects, but you can give according to your own ID. Then project name, it's optional. So I'll click continue with registration. So before creating a cloud project, you must accept the Google Cloud Term of Service. First, read and accept the term of service. There's a accept use policy just below the continue with registration. Click that. Then you'll it will show this type of policy, and then you'll go back and continue with registration. Because I have already registered that, it is showing the error that the cloud project map and of is already exists. So I click choose an existing cloud project and click continue. But if you are a new user, you will go to create new project. So confirm your cloud project information. Project uses Bangu Research and academia. Then project info is map painters. So I'll confirm this and hit ahead and go ahead. So my project is being registered here in Google Earth Engine. So if you have come up to this process, you have successfully registered yourself in Google Earth Engine. So this is a code editor, as you can see. This is a script panel, then documentation panel, and assets is where you upload your custom shape file or other data. And in your right, you can see that there is a console, is inspector tool, and this is a task. So this is a Google Earth Engine code editor platform. Let's give it a try. The first thing first, we'll print hello world, and you uh, click on, and it is showing hello world. So this is how you register yourself in Google Earth Engine. In our next video, we'll learn how to connect Google Earth Engine API to our programming. Thank you for watching this video. We'll be uploading this type of video in near future. So make sure you subscribe our channel Map Mentors. Thank you.